Hi students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now I am going on. Topic is combinations. Now concept is geometrical application. Now here first one, let Tn be the number of all possible triangles formed by the joining vertices of n-sided regular polygon. And also given condition Tn plus 1 minus Tn is equal to 10, then the value of n is. Now if you construct the triangle, you must be want 3 sides. Now here according to given condition, now here given Tn plus 1 minus Tn is equal to 10. Now here Tn plus 1 value means, now here 3 sides, now 3 sides are selecting out of n sides of a regular polygon, n plus 1 sides of a regular polygon, means n plus 1 C3 minus, now Tn means, now 3 sides are selecting out of n sided regular polygon means nc3 is equal to 10. Now here n plus 1 c3 can be right. Now nc3 plus nc2 minus nc3 is equal to 10. Now according to ncr minus 1 plus ncr is equal to n plus 1 cr. Now formula NCR minus 1 plus NCR is equal to n plus 1 CR. Now NC3 plus NC2 is equal to NCR, NC3, NCR minus 1, NC3 minus 1. This can be right n plus 1 C3. Now n plus 1 C3 can be right NC3 plus NC2. Now here n plus 1 C3 can be right NC3 plus NC2. Now here NC3 cancel. Now NC2 is equal to 10. Now NC2 is equal to 10. By verification, for n is equal to, clearly n is equal to 5. 5C2 value, 5C2 is equal to 5 into 4 by 2 into 1, 5 2 is equal to 10. Therefore, by verification for n is equal to 5, option 2 is the correct one. Next one, the greatest number of point of intersection of 8 lines and 4 circles is. Now here lines are given, lines is equal to, number of lines is equal to 8. Now circles is equal to 4. The number of point of intersections of any two straight lines is 1. Any two straight lines, the number of point of intersections is 1. The number of point of intersections of any two circles is 2. The number of point of intersections of any two circles is 2. The number of point of intersections of one circle and one straight line. Here also the number of point of intersections are 2. Now here only the number of point of intersections 1, here 2, and here also number of point of intersections are 2. Therefore, the required number of point of intersections, the required number of point of intersections is equal to, therefore the required number of point of intersections. Now here 8 lines, only one point of intersection is there. Now must be 2 lines must be selecting out of 8 lines. Now 8C2. Now 1 into 8C2. Next here, now circles are 4 circles are given. Now here point of intersections are 2. Now here 2 into. Now must be selecting 2 circles out of 4 circles. Now 2 into 4C2 plus, next here one circle, selecting one circle and one line. Now here point of intersections are 2. Now 2 into. Now first here selecting one line out of 8, 8C1, and also one circle out of 4, 4C1. Now 8C1 into 4C1, 8C1 into 4C1. Now therefore 8C2 value. Now 8C2 value, 8 into 7 by 2 into 1, 28 plus, now 2 into 4C2 value, 4 into 3 by 2 into 1, 2 into 6 plus, now 2 into, now 8C1 value is 8, 4C1 value 4, 8 into 4 is equal to 32. Now is equal to 28 plus 12 plus 64. Now is equal to 104. Is equal to 104. Option 3 is the correct one. Option 3 is the correct one. Next one. There are 10 points in a plane. Out of these 6 are collinear. Now if n is the number of triangles formed by joining these points. Now if out of n points, if out of n points m are collinear, if out of n points, if out of n points m are collinear. Now the number of triangles, n is the number of triangles formed. If constructed a triangle, you must be want 3 points. Now the number of triangles is equal to the number of triangles is equal to nc3 minus mc3. Now collinear points does not form a triangle, does not construct a triangle, does not constructed a triangle. Therefore nc3, the number of triangles is equal to nc3 minus mc3. Now nc3 means number of total points 10c3 minus, now collinear points, 6 points are collinear, now 6c3. Now 10c3 means 120 minus 20 is equal to 100. Now n is equal to 100. Now according to option 2 is the correct one. Option 2 is the